the
Manzanillo Beach.
We just found this. We just found this very shallow beach, wide beach.
It's low tide. We just drove our car right up on the beach.
Yeah.
The water is amazing.
Yeah.
This low tide business is crazy. I mean, you've got all this beach and all these folks are riding their motorcycles, hop wheelies.
Yeah.
The water is fresh and cool, and our car is right there. Right there.
Right there.
At the edge of the shore. It is 35 degrees Celsius.
I don't know, it's close to 100. It is hot.
Oh yes, the house that we're staying at in Manzanillo gets pretty hot up on that mountain, so we decided to do a little exploring. Today we'll drive about 40 minutes north to a little town called Montezuma. But first we need to fuel up at the local gas station. First stop, Montezuma Waterfall. Gracias.
Es bonito Manzanillo, ¿ah? Sí.
Sí, nos gustamos muchísimo, es pura vida, tranquilo, no hay mucha
Como
gente.
Camilo.
Sí, como Camilo.
Yo soy Camilo.
¿Tú eres Camilo?
Sí.
¡No!
Very beautiful. Oh, this is a good spot.
That was awesome. I was so scared, but I did it. Gotta conquer your fears sometimes.
After a delicious swim in the Montezuma waterfalls, we headed into town for the farmer's market and instantly fell in love with the internationally infused artsy-rootsy beach culture that embodied this town.
Perfecto, gracias.
We ended our afternoon with contemporary French food at Uben. I can't say enough about this incredibly delicious meal we had by Chef Ealot Sanchez. If you are ever in Montezuma, this restaurant is a must.
Wow, that's what I'm talking about.
Join us next episode as we explore Playa Santa Teresa, Playa Hermosa, and Playa del Carmen.